Goeiedag, dit is weer die Boertjie en die Soutie wat terug is om vir u 'n nuwe video te maak oor CBD olie. Welkom Michelle.
Yeah, thank you, Marina. Yeah, die Boertjie en die Soutie. Today, Marina and I are going to share with you the reasons on why we embarked on the journey of using CBD. There were three main reasons on why I decided to start using CBD. And the first was I suffer from insomnia and I had resorted to prescriptive meds to help me to fall asleep. And after being on sleeping tablets for just over a year, I knew that I needed to find an alternative, something that was natural, to continue waking up feeling foggy-brained, and like a bus had hit me every morning. I knew that change needed to happen. And I started researching the use and the benefits of CBD, knowing very little about it, and I found a quality product and decided to start using the oil. And it's a CBD derived from hemp, and we'll get into understanding the difference between hemp and marijuana and what makes you high and what contains the psychoactive ingredients and what doesn't at a later stage. But just for now, CBD oil derived from hemp, I started using this oil, and within 2-3 days I started sleeping straight through the night, 7-8 hours without waking up. And it's been a few months and no different. My sleeping pattern is one of 7 to 8 hours straight every night. Wonderful sleep.
Fantasties. Ja, dit is wat CBD olie vir baie mense kan doen. Ek wil graag deel, Michelle, jy weet, my groot krisis was, en dis nou maar iets wat met al ons vrouens is jy in die menopause ingaan,
Ja.
is in Afrikaans sê ons die gloede, en in hele Engels, ons praat van die hot flashes, en ek weet nie of jy weet nie, Michelle, maar 'n muurbaan waar ek nou altyd op werk, kan nogal hot raak. Ek was in 'n geval van dat die kinders na vir my sê, Tannie Marina, hoekom bloos jy? Want ek het altyd met hierdie vreeslike rooi wange gestaan en ja, dis moeilik. Dis maar iets wat ons vrouens moet deurgaan, maar ek het net op 'n stadium besef, yes, ek moet iets doen. En altyd wil almal vir jou voorskrif medisyne gee en ek glo daar's 'n plek daarvoor, maar ek het gekies om die natural way te gaan en ja, wat 'n fees. En ek het nou soveel vriendinne wat dit ook begin gebruik het, omdat ek net daarvan vertel en ons het gesê van die begin af, ons gaan uit ons harte uitpraat. En dit is wat ons wil doen op hierdie video en daarom is ek nie skaam om vir u te sê dat met die gebruik van CBD olie het my toestand regtig verbeter en kan ek weer smaak.
And another reason why I embarked on the journey of using CBD is I shared in an earlier video that I am in the corporate world and my job is stressful, and I approached a doctor a while back for some guidance and some help around just taking the edge off the stress in life, and antidepressants were suggested. I'm not depressed, and I therefore felt it was not the solution for managing my stress. There has to be something else. And when I started educating myself on CBD, one of the factors that it helps for is anxiety and stress. And I can share with you today that my stress levels are way calmer than they have ever been in my life. I am way more focused. I no longer have a foggy brain. I have such clarity of mind, and I deal with challenges in a calming fashion. I also find that I'm able to listen to people, without constantly wanting to interrupt them or give them the answer. Another great benefit of what CBD has done for me.
Ja, so die Soutie is nou 'n happy chappy en ons is baie bly daarvoor. Ja, Michelle, weet jy, ek wil ook net graag met die mense deel dat ek het 'n kondisie gehad, in Afrikaans noem ons dit rustelose bene.
Restless legs.
Restless legs, ja. Dit is daai gevoel waar daar duisende mure so in jou bene is en kriewel en dit wat altyd 'n gespot gewees in 'n geselskap sal ek so sit dit en hop en as jy in die aande in die bed lê, vryf jy jou voete teen mekaar en ja, dit is net ongemaklik want 'n mens kan nie slaap nie. En ek het nie CBD gebruik om van my rustlose bene ontslae te raak nie. Glad nie. Ek het dit gebruik vir die hot flashes soos genoem. En op 'n dag toe ek net half agtergekom, wow, iets is anders en wonderlik. So CBD olie is absoluut bekend daarvoor dat dit jou kan help met rustlose bene.
Oh, it's a massive knock-on effect of using CBD, and in a future video to come, we'll also talk about the endocannabinoid system and our CB1 and CB2 receptors, and when these receptors are kick-started, the knock-on effect that it has in our bodies. So we'll get into more depth about that at a later stage. And another reason or another benefit of taking or using CBD for me is I'm a walker, and I've walked 7 Caminos, and my last Camino in 2017 I walked 1,000 kilometers through Spain and Portugal, and I unfortunately hurt my right knee quite early on in the journey. But you know, we have a goal set and we want to conquer that goal, and it was 1,000 kilometers, and come hell or high water I was going to achieve that goal of walking 1,000 kilometers. And I damaged my right knee through pushing myself to the end goal. And my knee has been niggly for the last 2 years and has become more painful over time. And since I've been using the CBD, I no longer have that pain in my right knee. It's not there. And another thing that I've noticed since I've been on the CBD is that I've got a little bit of arthritis in my little fingers, and you knock your finger slightly against something, and it's that split second or two of, oh, that was Ana. I mean, I can do whatever I want to with these fingers. I have no pain in my little fingers whatsoever. So another knock-on effect without even, it wasn't the reason for embarking on the journey of taking CBD, but as help for my arthritis in my fingers, especially my little fingers as well.
Ja, respek vir hierdie girl wat soveel Caminos gestap het. Dit was ook as gevolg van Michelle wat ek en my ou Abby die Camino gestap het. Ek wil net gou die laaste ding noem, en ek is 'n prentjie mens. Almal wat my ken weet dit. So ek kan vir jou hierdie prentjie skets, Michelle, van hierdie ronde lyfie wat probeer slaap met gloede en met rustlose bene. So obviously was slaap vir my ook 'n baie groot krisis. En die muurbal-ouers sal weet dat ek 2 uur, 3 uur in die oggende e-posse uitgestuur het, en dan sê hulle, "O, jy's hardwerkend," maar meanwhile kon ek eintlik nie slaap nie. So ek het 'n kombinasie gekry wat vir my fantasties werk, en as ons in die produkte ingaan, gaan ons vir julle meer daarvan vertel. Maar ons het die CBD olie en dan het ons die spray, die sleep spray. En 'n kombinasie van daai 2 het vir my ongelooflik gehelp met my slaaploosheid.
Yeah, our nutritional sprays are really, really top quality. The absorption rate of a spray is 98% versus taking a prescriptive a tablet. We'll get into the value and the benefits of our sprays in another video as well. So a lot of excitement to come down the road. This is just the start, and our second video telling you more about CBD. We haven't got into the nuts and the bolts of things as yet. We're just giving you an update on why we use CBD and what CBD has done for us.
Fantasties. Ja, Michelle, ek dink die mense sal ook sien op my Facebook-page sê ek dat my missie in die lewe is om mense se lewens aan te raak. En op hierdie platform wil ons nie sê ons weet alles nie. Ons doen presies wat jy gesê het in ons eerste video. Ons praat uit die hart uit, en ons wil regtig opreg vir almal kom inlig van CBD.
Absolutely. We want to educate you as we educate ourselves. Thank you for tuning in.
Baie dankie.